What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you what is the best way to make money online in 2019. And guess what? There's no investment needed. That's right. You don't have to pay any money to make money online in 2019. I'm going to show you one simple way that you can start making money right now. So let's go. Alright, so it's probably no surprise, I absolutely love YouTube. YouTube is the thing that we're going to be using right now to make some money online. Now, I know a lot of people ask, well, how do I make a YouTube video? Well, I'm not going to talk about that here. A lot of people also ask, well, how do I get views? Well, if you want views, okay, let me show you something. This right here is my affiliate marketing on YouTube course, okay? It's normally $67. I have a discount code down in the description box below. You can check it out. You can get 45% off or $30, so it comes out to $37. Now, here's what I want to show you. This right here, this is one of the bonuses that I offer for the course. Anytime you buy this course, you get this bonus. There's 4 free traffic sources, okay? These ones are really cool and you'll absolutely love it. Then also how to get fast views from Quora, and one video that I just added, secrets to getting fast views guaranteed. This one right here, this one alone is going to show you how to get quick views, and it's a great way to really boost your channel. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. The link will be in the description box below. So what I want to show you today is how I choose different things to sell to make some money. Now, we're going to be using 2 different sites. First one is going to be YouTube. You need to start creating YouTube videos, and the reason why is because so many people are looking for answers from video form, not from written content anymore. So we need to progress with the times. The times are telling us video is the way to go. Now, the second website we're going to be using is called Clickbank.com. You can see it right here. Okay, go to Clickbank.com and sign up. It's free to sign up. All right. Now, here's the other thing we're going to do. Let's say we are in the, I'm just going to use the make money online niche. Okay, I'm just going to use that one. Do not get into this niche because it's very competitive. You're not going to make a lot of money to begin with. But what I would rather do is I'd rather go for cooking, traveling, maybe the lifestyle, real estate, business, something. Really dive down and get a niche. Figure out what your niche is. Okay, be very specific. Maybe it's yoga. Could be whatever it is. All right. So let's say I want to do something in the make money online niche. Here's how I pick out a winning product. All right. So I'm not going to do anything on YouTube just yet. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come and find a winning product. What I do when I find a winning product, okay, I just went to e-business and e-marketing. What I do to find a winning product is I like to find a page that is offering a free gift, okay? Now, the reason why I chose to make money online niche is because, for one, I already know that a lot of these people do it. This guy right here, John Crestani, I know he does it, okay? So I click on the thing. He's offering a free gift, free training, how to earn a six-figure side income online. Okay, so and if this is something that you want, I'll put a link to this page as well down in the description box below, so you can check that one out as well. But what you do is you provide a link, okay, to this page, and so anytime somebody goes and signs up for the free training, what John's going to do is he's going to go and send them additional content. So every couple days, he's going to send them a new email. And if you buy his course or his products through that email, you get paid. Okay, so anytime somebody were to click on the email and then read it and then, oh yeah, this is cool. Okay, I need to buy this now. Then anytime they buy it, you get credited with the commission. Okay, and it says you get 50% commissions, which is pretty good. An average sale, $467. You can make some good money. Okay, you can make some good money here. Okay. So let's say I don't do the make money online niche. Let's say I go into something like health and fitness. Okay, I'm just going to do that just because it's going to be a little bit easier to explain, and I'm going to walk you through it. Let's say I come in here and I want to find something. Let's see if this one has it. Okay, I want to find something that's offering. Nope, not a video. I want to find something that's offering a gift up front. Okay. Nope, not another video. I'm going to leave that one. Okay. Let's see. So here would be a good one that has a little, how has weight gain affected you? Okay. And you can submit your answer. which is pretty cool. That's another thing that I do, is look for somebody that has a little questionnaire or survey. That's a great option. Let's see. Let's go to the next page and just try to find something. Underground Fat Loss Manual. But again, we want to try to find something that has a free gift. Okay, you want that free gift. Okay, if it doesn't have a free gift, doesn't mean it's not going to work. It just means it's going to be harder to convert. You're going to have to do a little more work on the front end. And I know a lot of you guys want to make that money fast. So how do we do it? Well, it's pretty simple. We try to funnel people over to a landing page where they submit their email and their name, and then the person that created that landing page, the person that is going to pay you your commissions and is the guru and whatever it is, they're the ones that are going to send the email, so you never have to worry about it. Okay? So here's another one. Nope. So again, this is the most time-consuming process, is finding the right product and then going in and figuring out, okay, is this something where I can find a so there's one right there. Wait, let's go back to that one again, see if it's there. So what I want to do is I want to try to find something where I don't have to do all the work, and then on top of that, you want to find something that has credible reviews. Okay. All right, so get a free copy of the 2-week diet. All right, cool. Enter my name, email address. Cool, so this is the one I want. Okay. Now I'd go and I'd look up reviews and see if people actually liked it. Okay, so right here, I'd go and promote this one right here. Okay, gravity score 73, that's good. Average sale $30. So yeah, looks like it'd be a good page. Okay, they even have some stuff for affiliates. We can click on this and see, okay, they have between 75 and 100% commission levels, 100% bonus to all new affiliates, $200 plus per sale, able to be earned, monthly cash and prize giveaway. Okay, all this stuff, cool. All right, wonderful. So that's what we're going to do, the 2-week diet. Here's what we do. How to lose weight in only 2 weeks. Okay, so that's what we're going for. How to lose weight in only 2 weeks. Let me get rid of all this. Okay, so let's say this is what we want to do. Now, the nice thing about this is that we can go and, being that's in the health and fitness, there's a lot of stuff we can do. How to lose weight in only 2 weeks. How to quickly lose weight. Okay, 2 weeks to lose weight. Okay, there's a lot of keywords we can go after. Now, here's what you gotta do. You gotta create the video. If you don't create the video, you're not making any money. Okay, start creating the video. Now, there's another tool that you can get. It's called TubeBuddy. So you can see right here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and look up some other keywords. How to lose weight in 2 weeks. I'm going to click Explore. Okay. Now, this is TubeBuddy is a potentially free tool. You can get it for free, but this version of it, I don't remember what the exact version that I have is, but I think it costs like $50 a month or something like that. But it's a great tool to use, and it helps you really build your YouTube channel and get additional views. How to lose weight in 2 weeks, exercise. Let's click on that one and see. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to find a score that's decent. Okay, how to lose weight in 2 weeks without exercise, because this is the 2-week diet. Okay, I have no clue if they're promoting just a diet plan or if they also have a workout routine that they do. Okay, so that's all I'm trying to do. I could even go to ways to lose weight fast in 2 weeks. Okay, that's fair. Ways to lose weight in 2 weeks without exercising. Okay, that's good. That's getting better. But that's the goal, all right? That's what you want to do, is you want to make sure that you are using YouTube, okay, and you find the right product to promote. And again, I just showed you how to find the product to promote. It's very simple, okay? Let me get out of this page. All I did was I went through, every single one and found one that had a free offer. Okay, this one has that offer. It does. Okay, so and then it also gives, if we click, let's go back to that really quick. Where's that 2 week? Was that the Venus? Nope. Where is it? I think it went too far. let's see. Anyway, what it had the like $10 off coupon, whatever. I think this was it. Okay, so it has this. Okay, but it also, so it has that, great. But I think it also had, nope. It had a $10 off coupon once you clicked out of the page. I already clicked on it the first time, so it's probably not going to give it back to me. But it's there. Okay, so it gives you additional ways to make some money because someone doesn't want to pay $37. Okay, great. That's what it costs. Okay, you can see it right here. That's what this thing costs, $37. But if they gave me an additional $10 off, that's huge. That's over 25% off, right? That's a big deal. When you get 25% off, and look at that, 60-day money-back guarantee, cool. That's a no-brainer, right? Well, that's what you got to explain inside your videos right here, okay? Best way to lose weight fast. Maybe that's the keyword you're going after. And then all you got to do is come over here and figure out, okay, what is the best way? Even if you don't have to be in perfect shape, you don't have to be the most, the leanest person in the world, the person with ripped abs, the best shoulders, best arms, the best physical shape of your life. That's not what you have to be. You have to be, open. You have to be honest and let people know, okay, this is what I'm doing to lose weight. Or this is what I'm doing to cook the healthiest meals. This is what I'm doing to continue to lose weight while still eating out. This is how I do meal preps when I travel. Answering questions like that is what people are looking for. And once they can connect with you and then realize, okay, this person's really trying to give me value, what ends up happening is you have that link down in the description box. They go and click on it. They land on this page. Oh, cool. I'm going to get a free copy of the 2-week diet. Sweet. And they put their name and email address, claim their free copy, and then probably on the next page, they're going to get, an offer of some kind. And that's where you start making some money. And that's what I do. Okay. This is what I like to do on most of my channels, even over on Instagram. It's the exact same process, the exact same steps. I'm just changing the marketing platform that I'm using. Instead of YouTube, I'm using Instagram. Instead of Instagram, maybe I'm using Facebook, or maybe instead of Facebook, I'm using a traditional website. There's a lot of options here for you. You just got to figure out what works for you, figure out what niche you want to be in, and then go out there and start making the content that's going to drive traffic to that offer. So now that I walked you through that entire process step by step, what is stopping you from actually making money? For most people, when I say most people, I get a lot of emails. I get hundreds of emails every single day. And the problem that most people have is, okay, I know what to do, but should I start now? Should I wait? Should I try to learn a few different skills first? No. The best way to do anything is to take massive action. The best way to make money is to fail, and then finally figure it out. The best way to do anything in the world is to just start. So if your question is, should I start today or should I wait till next week when I get paid? I just showed you a free way to make money. You don't need any money, okay? You do not need to get paid first. All you need is some time. Sit down today, sit down tonight, sit down this weekend, next week. Come up with a schedule when, okay, every single night I'm gonna give 2 hours to this business. And until I become successful, until I make $1,000, I'm not gonna stop. 2 hours every single day so that you can be successful. Now, let me give you one tip. One tip that I have for you guys when shooting YouTube videos is to set up a camera in front of you. Set up your phone, your computer, whatever you're using to record videos. Set it up and have a list of maybe 5 or 10 different video ideas that you can do and just shoot them. They're not going to be the best videos in the world. The sound quality may be a little bit off. The actual content may be not as good as you want to be, but guess what? Any content is better than nothing at all. So get out there, start creating some videos, start putting some links in your YouTube descriptions, even inside your comment section as well, and you're going to get more people clicking on those links, which means more money in your pocket. So if you have any questions on how to make money or why this is the best way to make money online in 2019, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.